This is the race model RLTC-SP, and this particular model is going to have a lip balm and small vial adapter on it. So I'm going to show you how to change that out. To do that, we're going to take the spring plate off and we're going to put these rollers in the machine. So the first thing that needs to be done is right over here, and on the opposite side as well, move this out to 1.5 inches. On the other side as well. You can see the little silver mark right there. Bring that out to 1.5 inches. What that does is allows you plenty of room to get this roller out of the machine. In order to get the spring plate out of the machine, we have to spread the frames. We do that by turning this big black knob counterclockwise, and it will spread the frames. So that's why you can't have this roller in it when you're doing this part. But the first thing you'll do is remove the pin here and the pin on the opposite side too. Removing these pins makes it so that when you turn this knob counterclockwise, this spring plate comes right out, and then the springs are removed. You should, by the way, keep these together with a rubber band or something so you don't lose them. Anyway, now we're going to put these rollers on, and to do that, we need to take the lip balm and small vial brackets off of the machine. They stay on the machine when you're not using them so that they don't get lost. So they come off the machine on both sides. Now we're going to take these off because they have to come off in order for those new brackets to go on. These are the little brackets that raise and lower the big black roller here. You can raise and lower the big black roller with these two little brackets here. These two brackets can go right back onto the machine, right here. There's a hole down here. They go mount right back on the machine so that you don't lose them. And you do the same thing on the other side. Now the brackets that you've taken off the machine go back on the machine, and they go right here, and the notches for the small rollers stick out this direction instead of being tucked back the other direction to be out of the way when they're not being used. So put one wing nut on, and you put the other wing nut on. Now this bracket can adjust up and down. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And now both those brackets are on, and then we can take the small rollers. Then this part of the machine, the regular separator plate, goes into the machine and will rest very lightly on top of the black roller. And now you can lock that in. Essentially, you have the setup now for the Lip Balm and small vial adapter to put the small bottles in and have it ready to label them.